how to play split screen in Fortnite new update. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to play split screen in the Fortnite new update. First of all, launch a duos or squad game in Fortnite. You can use split screen mode to play with a friend on PlayStation or Xbox consoles. Other platforms are not yet supported. Now, turn on the second controller and use the PlayStation button or Xbox button to turn the other controller on. This will open the user sign-in menu. Now select a new user. The second controller will be signed into this account, and you'll be taken back to the Fortnite screen. You should see P2 login and hold at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then, on the second controller, hold the designated button. On PlayStation controllers, this should be X. Now, on Xbox controllers, this should be A. You'll be logged into the second account on Fortnite, and this may take a few moments. When it's finished, you will see the character of the second account load in. Then, set your builds. By default, Player 1 will have control over the screen. To switch to Player 2, hold X for PlayStation or A on Xbox on the second controller. Select Ready. This will be triangle on PlayStation or Y on Xbox. When the game loads, it will be on a split screen. Player 1 will be at the top and Player 2 will be at the bottom. Now, you can play Fortnite in split screen co-op. If you're having trouble, make sure your internet connection is stable. After that, split screen mode will not work if you have connection issues. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.